Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XT5. Designed with your agenda in mind, this XT5 helps you get ahead while pampering you like it's your day off. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 1-866-470-0171.
For value.